Hey guys, so today I'm gonna teach you guys how to groove. So that kind of sounds like that. There's a lot of things going on here, right? And some of you have been asking, because I did a video on this a while back, to actually break this down. How do you get a groove in music? And at this moment, I was kind of playing bluesy stuff, right? Blues music. And a lot of the stuff that is going on here has to come, as you can notice it, because if I let go of that right hand, there's nothing going on. But if I go, you hear that? Right? And it gets a little bit tricky because you can hear me slap the guitar and you hear the sound at the same time. And in our mind, right, the sound should come from a pulling method, right? You pull out. But how are you smacking and getting the sound at the same time, right? A lot of us get confused by that, and you're about to find out because I'm going to teach you. And that's going to be number one of how do you get that groove is that, right? Right, that's very addicting. And the way I'm doing it, right? The very first step is just to get the slap. And slap is my hand position, kind of looks like this, and I'm going like this. Right? That's all I'm doing. That's the slap. Now, how do you get the sound? The sound of this one is you have to kind of pull your nails a little bit out, like this, outwards. And when I'm slapping, I'm kind of doing this with my finger, right? With my nail on the string. But you have to be precise, because if you're not precise, you're gonna miss and it's gonna sound like this. You see? So you have to. So I'm literally kind of triggering this finger as I'm slapping. I'm going like this with my finger just to get that. Right? So that's the technique number one. In groove, you want to get that slap. A lot of guitar players stay away from it. They just use the pick and you can do. Right? That's without the pick, just grooving with it. And that's cool, but if you get the like, it just everything with that washoo sound just clicks. If you can get that going, fellas, for a good 30 minutes, you find this place in time where your brain stops thinking and your hands stop malfunctioning, and you just catch this wave. And it is probably the best feeling you can experience as a human, right? So that's number one. Number two is timing. Now, what is, if somebody said, explain groove to me, what is groove? In a simple way, it's kind of like manipulating time. You are manipulating time, that's how you create the groove. Because if you don't manipulate the time, it's just gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. You know what I mean? It's just going to be a static sounds. But the manipulation makes it. You can be precise and go. You can stay on the 1 a little bit longer. Go. You know what I mean? you can go early on the one. You see how that? Now, well, how do we do that, right? That's a little bit of a tricky part of how to get. That is pretty hard to do without a metronome, to practice that. So I'm gonna use, to get into this kind of stuff, my right hand as a metronome and go, that's gonna be, so me slapping the guitar is the upbeat, you know what I mean? So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and a. So you can, if that's the metronome, and you can set your own metronome, you can hear me before I start the groove all the way over. You can hear me go early on that one and go. So you can also go late on that one, which is a little bit more difficult than going early, because early has that groove. So instead of, there it is. That's late. You see how I'm late? Early. So you can, I know I'm getting carried away here, but you can kind of get the midst of how that groove comes about when you take a frame and you can go, okay, other than notes and out of that right hand, because on the left hand you're just clicking notes, there's nothing here. All the dynamics are here. How hard am I hitting the note? Or go. That's a huge difference, right? So you got the dynamics, you got the timing, you got the technique, it's all in that right hand. And if you put these two things together, you're starting to look like somebody where you go into a music room with a bunch of musicians. They go, whoa, oh, okay, you can do that. So I know this is a little bit more advanced stuff, but I thought I'd make a video and give to you guys what I know about this. And I hope this is helpful. If you like the video, do me a solid, like, comment, subscribe, so we can push some new stuff out there for them good people. I'll see you guys next time.